Have you ever seen these type of videos? And did you ever think how these kinds of short videos can be made? Did you know that AI is changing the all video creation game? And today you can easily create the videos which also can get viral in no time. You might have also seen such videos which gets viral very soon and get bunch of views. Here I am showing you one of this kind of channel. You can see how is it performing. It does have 95,000 views, 6,000 views, 5.7 thousand views, and many more. Surprisingly, it's very easy to create such videos. And let's see how you can make money with these kind of videos. So let's get started. First of all, open lexica.ai on Google. Then click the first link. Here I am writing a prompt to get an AI-generated image of my choice. Here you can see it has searched many images for me in a jiffy. So here I am selecting an image which I found good for my video. Here you can see there are multiple variations of this image and I can download all or the one I like. Okay, so here I am downloading this one. Now search HeyGen on Google. Click on the first link as I do. And here you can sign in with Google or you can use TempMail for creating multiple account. And now you can see how am I uploading the image I downloaded earlier from Lexica. Once it's uploaded, let's search for the motivational quotes on Google. So here you can see I got this website from Google with bunch of quotes. Let's get back to HeyGen. As I need to create short, so I am selecting portrait mode. Here you can see it has opened. Now I am replacing the default text with the quote I just copied from that website. Here you can see it's in circle mask by default. To make it full screen, let's click on this icon. It says pick a frame for your talking photo. Now here I am clicking on the cancel icon. Here you can see the image is full sized now and the mask has been removed. Now I am adjusting it as per my need. Now let's select the voice. Here I have multiple options to select and genders. I will play one by one and select the one I like. So I am selecting the Christopher voice as that was looking good to me. Now I am submitting it. It will take few minutes and then it will be created. As you can see, it's saying it's gonna cost me 0.5 credit and I got only 2 credit with my free account. Now you can see the video is ready. Let's play this.
We cannot solve problems with the kind of thinking we employed when we came up with them.
So, did you see it was so easy? And you can also create hundreds of videos like this for your channel. And you can make lots of money with that. It's easily doable and fast way to create a faceless YouTube channel and you can monetize it. I will be eagerly waiting for your comments about this video. And do not forget to subscribe, but only if you like my video. And do like the video if you like my content. Share it if you think it can help someone. And you can also check other videos of mine where I have explained how one can make good money using AI.